Hi friends, today I'm going to draw John Jones, but there's a twist. So I have 10 sheets and each one has a different challenge written on it. Here's the reference photo and the grid lines are all set. And don't forget to strengthen your bones because today I'm drawing John Bones Jones. So my outline is ready and the challenge sheets are ready too. And now it's time to pick a random challenge. Which one should I choose? This one. No eraser for next 10 minutes. That was actually a great challenge to start with because I didn't really need an eraser yet. I always begin by drawing the eyes, so the first challenge was pretty easy. After a while I completed the first challenge. Now it's time to pick the second random sheet. Use only one pencil for 5 minutes. Luckily this challenge was pretty easy too. First I wanted to shade the base skin layer because I was only allowed to use one pencil and that's pretty much all could do with it. After covering the entire face with the first layer of shading, I completed that challenge too. Before starting the third challenge, I added some shading with charcoal pencil. I also used charcoal powder to build up the darker tones. Finally, I used the eraser a little to bring back some highlights. Now it's time for the fourth challenge. Don't lift your pencil. This was definitely the hardest challenge so far because I had to be extra careful not to lift my pencil even once. Those 10 minutes felt like the longest of the entire drawing. Just look at how I'm moving the pencil all around the page without lifting it. During this challenge, I focused on covering as much of the skin as possible so I wouldn't run into problems later. In the last 2 minutes, I was basically moving the pencil around like this because there wasn't much left that I could do without lifting it. My next challenge is draw without looking at the reference. So I had to start a timer, lock my phone and keep it to the side. Since I can't look at the reference, I am only going to work on the parts that I can remember easily. I started this challenge with the lips and the mustaches. Then I moved to the hair below the lips and the beard, blending everything as I went. I used the same technique on the neck and the belt as well. Once the shading was done, it was time for my next challenge. You get one free correction. I'm definitely using it on the ears because I had already completely messed them up. Honestly, I still felt bad for those poor ears. After fixing the ears, I added more charcoal powder to the face, brought back some highlights and continued the same process on the rest of the drawing. Then it was the time for the next challenge. Draw without any measuring method. For this challenge, I covered up the grid lines. This one wasn't too difficult because there wasn't much left to draw, so I quickly finished the shading with charcoal powder. My next challenge was draw using only tiny details. I actually liked this one because it gave me a chance to add some extra details to the sketch, making it look much more polished and realistic. Now it's time for the next challenge, but this task say I have to skip the following challenge, so let's do exactly that. The challenge I skipped was rotate the paper 180 degrees. Looks, I got lucky. Now for the final challenge, draw with your left hand. Let's just say it didn't go very well. I even signed the artwork with my left hand. And here's the final result. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this challenge, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more drawing challenge videos.